Hey friends, guess what this is? These are country style pork rib nuggets, and I used Soulful Tea's seasoned flour. You all, these are so good. You want to know how I made them? All right, come on, let's go. Let's cook with ease. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, just to get started, these mustard fried country style ribs are going to be seasoned with Soulful Tea's seasoning flour. Now, some of them don't have bones, and I'm gonna cut those into nuggets. But some of them do have a bone that I'm gonna trim around. So right now I'm gonna get started on that part, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna season it. I'll be right back. You know, this Soulful Tea seasoning is really, it's seasoned, but, no but really, but there's no but. I just add some cornstarch, some extra paprika, and breadcrumbs, just because I like the way that the batter creps up. So, you all, I tend to like a lot of flavor, but I'm not into a whole lot of salt. So, you're not going to see me adding a lot of salt to this recipe, because the flour has really good seasoning in it, and plus we're going to put mustard on our nuggets. Now I cut all of these up. Let me do this because I don't want to waste time. I've learned that it's best to, when you can, to do this fast, because I don't like wasting people's time. So I'm going to put mustard on all of these, and I'm going to coat them. And mustard is also going to add a good flavor. So that's an extra layer of flavor. Let me get that up there. And what's good about that is, let me wipe this off. A lot of times, when you have a family, some people like this and some people like that. So everybody in here likes mustard on everything. All right, so that's good. Yeah, and that's going to add some tang. All right, now I'm going to put this into my egg mixture. Now while I'm doing this, the oil's heating up, and I'm getting that all ready for the nuggets. Now I'm going to mix this. I want to make sure it's really covered with the eggs, because this is going to help coat the flour. Now you know what I like to do? Those of you that watch me sometimes, let me mix this up. I like to double fry, which means I'll fry it for a few minutes, take it out, and then put it back in again. That way it's just, there's something about double frying. I've just seen that, and I've learned that it's really, really good when you put it in that mixture again. Okay, so let me put these coated nuggets in here. It's really flavored. I can already see all the flavor on it. It's going to be really good. I'm also going to let it rest. I'm going to let it dry up after I take it out. And I'm going to set it on the pan here. I'm doing this as an option for Super Bowl. This is a really good idea to share with your family when they're watching the game. So I want you to try this out. All right, let me close the bag. Now, how many of you use bags? So there's so many different techniques you can use when you're applying batter. But I really like for it to get in there. I bought this thing where you shake it up, but that thing did not work for me. This is just an old-fashioned way. Let me let some of this air out. It just didn't apply the batter like I wanted it to. But this way, you can really make sure that everything is sticking. I do this with my chicken too. Let's just make sure that bag is closed tight. Okay, I'm going to let this hang out in this bag so it can get a little dry. And then after that, I'm going to put it on here, and then I'm going to let it set on there just for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to get ready for the frying. All right, everybody, I'm so excited about sharing this with you. Here are our country style seasoned nuggets using Soulful Teas seasoned flour. And I'm going to start placing these into the pool. Just like our friend Putron says, everybody in the pool. Now I'm going to double fry these, and I'm going to let these fry for about 5 minutes. I'm going to take them out and place them in the pool again. Now, I did coat them with eggs, but you know you don't have to do that. But it just gives it a different way for the flour to stick. Okay, so that's enough for now. I'm going to go through this whole batch, and then I'm going to fry it again, and then I'm going to let you see how it looks. I hope you like this so far. Thanks for hanging in there with me.